Yeah, yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Takeprofit trader, got my account on lock. Apex trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I'm waiting for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Takeprofit trader, got my account on lock. Apex trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing their silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Takeprofit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. Yeah.
What is up? What is up, everyone? How's it going? How's it going? What's happening, party people? JR in the house. Yes, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for that right off the bat. Indian Burn, DeMarcus, Tony Gold. Let's go. Post bell was stupid ups and down. Yeah, earnings, right? Apple earnings. Jog, what's up? Oh no, he passed 2 but blew up 2. That's all good, Indian Burn. Yeah. It's almost like it never happened, right? Yeah, I hate that. I hate that when that happens. For sure. Let's see here. Feeling bullish on the market open? It just looks bullish, don't it? So we're going to get a gap up. So crazy. We still have this gap down here, this giant open gap. Still got that gap down here. Absolutely wild. Felt like we were going to try to fill it. But then earnings came in and said, nope, we're not going down there. What's up, Corey, the phone trader in the house? Trading Star, what's good? Lay in the house. Made some good money this morning, yeah. Right there, Take Profit Trader, daily payout. Not too bad. $800 or so. We'll take it. Hit personal DLL on Tradeify. So that's fine. Lucid accounts are green. Lucid accounts are looking mighty fine again. Hopefully I can take this. Jeez, I feel like I can take these bad boys to live. So I slowed down a little bit after the payout, but looking pretty good. The calendar's looking good. Yeah, made 910 on those today. 709 yesterday, 166 after the daily payout. Or not the daily payout, but after that payout. So building these back up. Up $12,322 for the month on these accounts. So pretty good on the Lucids. Tradeify, I can't seem to get anything going with Tradeify. But yeah, got an $872 daily payout with Take Profit Trader, which is sweet. So you can't really beat that. So hopefully keep that going. No resets on the Take Profit Trader account either. Not doing that anymore. How many of you guys have done that? Like reset those Take Profit Trader accounts for like $650 or more, and then end up just blowing it right after. I mean, I've done it before. Sucks. So not doing that anymore. I'd rather just have evals going all the time. Because they're $109 or something like that. So compared to like $650, so that's a lot of evals. So I did catch myself getting a little greedy on the Take Profit Traders and trying to make a little more. So I had to stop it. I was like, no more of that. So here's the stats. So I actually made most of that last night. So here's the stats on that Take Profit Trader account. Got the payout on today. So 37 trades, made $3,000 gross, minus the commissions for $115. So $2,886.50. We're around 60% consistency. Largest losing trade, $765. Largest winning trade, $1,345. Average losing trade, 181. Average winning trade, 260. So not too bad. Pretty good. We'll take it. We'll take that 800. Bank it. $345. It's called guerrilla marketing, bro. It's guerrilla marketing. You got 2,000 people watching, and for $20, I can have them say my name, and you know. What's up, Miss K? Alfred in the house. Oh yeah, I gotta get started on the. Here we go. Alfred, nice job on Terry's stream this morning. I was listening. Nice work. Just a little bit more, Trading Star. Exactly. Yeah, just a little, just one more trade. Just one more trade. I got massive liquidation on accounts that have 0 payouts. Ugh. Gonna pass you a Lucid account. Let's go. Why don't I do Trade Syncer? I do have Trade Syncer. I just don't have any accounts right now. I don't like to copy trade all my accounts, but yeah, Caleb, I agree with you. Yeah, you gotta have levels of stops, profits. Tilt rules is the most important for me. Just daily loss limits on the accounts. That's the most important. If I set daily personal loss limits, then I'm fine. If I don't, and I let the account be the loss limit or whatever, yeah, no bueno. So I've gotten $3,800 in payouts this week, and I spent let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I spent $600. So we're up pretty good this week, having a good week, and Lucid's almost had another payout, so not bad. Let's go, Sean. What's up? Yeah, exclamation point pound in the chat. Have to make 400 to pass 3 Lucid's accounts. How hard could it be? 7 cents. Or 7th. Yeah, 7 cents. How hard could it be? Autumn 9 in the house. Oh, so Coach Fred's in the house. Kato, let's get that money. Coach Fred. Focusing on gold, NQ, not interested in gold today. I'll trade whatever. Whatever's moving, I don't care. We'll send it. Am I a full-time trader? Yeah. I've been full-time twice. Full-time trader twice. This is the second time. I've been full-time for over 1.5 years now. For the second time. It's not easy, but we're here. Oh yeah, so I was gonna talk about, so here's the scoop. I am not gonna show my cards, guys. Sorry. All right, we got a minute left. The Influencer Cup for trade day. We had a bunch of people blow accounts today. I'm not gonna show my hand. I can't show my hand, okay? But, all right. So here it is. Here's the leaderboard, right? Got Methodical Man and Prolonged Wealth that was up here in the leaderboard. Why is this? This is the old one. All right, here's the new one. All right. Here's the new leaderboard. Kelly Ann is done. Prolonged Wealth is done. I am not done. Methodical Man's still in it. Uncle Bugatti supposedly is still in it. I don't really know. Forex Ike is still in it. I'm still in it. I can't show my hand. I can't show my hand. But I'm not done. Supposedly Kellyanne is out. That's what she said. She blew it today. Now Myth, I don't think he blew it unless he did it this afternoon. I talked to him earlier. He said I'm pretty sure he didn't blow it. What's up, Trev? Forex Ike. Let's go, Ike. I can't show my hands. So I put out a tweet saying like, oh, sorry guys, I'm done. Well, I'm not done. There's still hope. Let's go, Ike. Nice work. You know what I think it was? I think it was Uncle Bugatti putting on that pressure this morning to Kellyanne, and actually that caused her to blow it, because I don't think she made a trade this week until today. But once everyone was catching up, because Uncle Bugatti says that he made like $6,000 this morning, and I don't even believe him. I literally don't believe that he's up $6,000, because he likes to just create some FUD, but it's fun. Yeah, you don't even know if she really blew it, right? Everyone's playing games now. Everyone's playing games. It's fun though. It's fun. He put the pressure on the FinTwits, yeah. He did. He probably don't even own a Bugatti. Probably not. Yeah. All right, market's pushing up higher. So basically we had Apple earnings and we are just ripping. So if you look at the hourly, we still have this giant open gap. I got it measured out here, marked out. Still have this giant open gap from the new week sitting down there. I thought for sure we were getting this push down later in the day, later in the afternoon. I thought for sure we were just gonna like keep fading down into this gap, but nope, not yet. So massive rebound right off that 25,850 level, and just absolutely ripped it to the upside. So yeah, pretty interesting. Gold. Let's see, gold pushing down here. Filled this gap. So there's one thing I've been noticing, your ICT traders and stuff, that gold loves to fill those gaps, those fair value gaps, single prints, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, man, it just loves to fill those. Been watching gold, trading a lot of gold lately just because of the movement. So basically I've been trading gold for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks consistently, but YM had a bit of a bounce, but not as strong as NASDAQ. Still have a gap open on YM as well. Small one from the new week opening gap. It's just a small gap. Gotta wait till tomorrow to really know. It'll come down to tomorrow. Watch everyone blow, and trade day doesn't need to pay anyone. I know, Forex, like, so funny. It'll be, I guess it would go to whoever's in the lead for the evaluations, which would be funny. It'd be Tim Vesh, which would be hilarious. It's all good. It was fun, right? Shout out to you and all the other streamers and influencers and traders that participated. It was definitely fun. Can't wait to do it again. Now we got Tradeify next. Tradeify tournament. I'm gonna do it. Why not? That one's much bigger though. Let's go 007. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. Gotta smash the like button though. We gotta get 200 likes. We'll do that 150K Take Profit Trader a giveaway. And now with Take Profit Trader, with the giveaway accounts, you don't have to pay the activation fee as long as the no activation sale is still going on. So that's pretty sweet. So great giveaway now. No activation fee. Netflix 10 for 1 stock split. It's insane. Boy, I wish I would have just bought the Netflix back when I was getting the DVDs through the mail. back when I was delivering them. I used to be a mail. If you guys don't know, I used to be a mail carrier for the postal service for 15 years, and yeah, back when I first started, I had to deliver those Netflix DVDs like crazy. We would get, you know, like a tray full of them, and then I'd have to sort them out to the customers, you know, and then deliver them. And then when I collected them out of the mail, you had to put them in a separate bin. And yeah, it was crazy. Miss K knows. Miss K knows. Remember you had to separate them all? Yeah, it was dumb. And then it just went away. It just went away. No more DVDs. You were a human red box. G-Strand is true. Yeah, it was a human red box. Market's pushing higher here. I'm gonna be a little patient tonight, you know. I was a little tilty last night, not gonna lie, a little, you know, emotional trading. So we'll just we'll wait, be patient, wait for a nice setup. Wait for an inside buy, something. Yeah, red box went away quick too, yeah. They still had those red boxes up in, you know, up here in Maine, where they would have them at the CVS's and stuff up in Maine. But yeah, they went away. I have a YouTube featured tag on. That's cool. I don't know what that means, but that's cool. The VHS people lost their jobs just like AI. Yeah. M. Schultz, yeah. Amazon laying off a bunch of workers too. Probably have to do with the AI. Shorts you gotta wait on? I know, the market's just ripping, isn't it? It's crazy. So I caught a beautiful short last night. Late. Let's go back to the hourly real quick. Yeah, right here. Right around 11 o'clock or so. Midnight, 11 o'clock. I ended up taking that Takeprofit trader account. I ended up taking that short. Let's see. So I ended up taking some of that short down. Got the bulk of my profit on that short, and then I ended up trying to like do some scalping, and when it was pushing up, the market was moving so crazy fast that I was just like getting in and out to get this account up to $2,800 today to get that daily payout. But yeah, just absolutely wild last night. The short was beautiful. Yeah, I mean, it's all of a sudden I'm there watching TV, watching some like motorcycle builder online, like on YouTube, and I had the charts open, and all of a sudden it just like started ripping down, and I was like, oh boy. Huh, that's weird. The inside bar of 431 was the biggest one you've ever seen. Yeah, Just massive. I mean, these are winning trades, these outside bars and inside bars, but like, you gotta have a wide stop. So worked out beautiful in the afternoon. Just absolutely beautiful. The 1 minute. Check it out. Oh yeah. Worked out great on that 1 minute chart too. You trading the inside bars on 1 minute, or you just like look at it? You have an inside bar here. This might be a tight stop. I have a feeling with this giant move from earnings, like I'm worried that we're just gonna chop sideways. I'm gonna take it for the stream, but yeah, I'm wondering if we just chop sideways. But I'm gonna keep a tight stop. No full porting tonight. Exclamation point Pine if you want to join the giveaway. Is there any earnings tomorrow? You know, I feel like tonight was that big ones, but we got no, not much tomorrow. Exxon, Chevron. So if you're trading CL, probably, but Coinbase is on a conference call right now. But yeah, Apple and Amazon were the big dogs today. Watching gold. Watching gold as well. Yo, Trader's Nest, what's going on? Great day today. Simplistic video. Let's go. Yeah, I got a daily payout, so I'm happy. Had a daily payout, made 800 bucks, spent 200 on some My Funded Future core accounts. So, it's a good day. Get chopped really bad trading the inside and outside bars. Yeah, so one thing is that I don't trade every single one, you know. I do tend to look for nuances and things when I trade them. But yeah, depending on the time of day or whatever. But yeah, just quickly looking them over. So the first inside paid 20. Let's see, first inside bar did get reversed, but paid 36 points. So did it do a 1-to-1? Don't think so. It did get a 1-to-1 today. So the very first inside bar, I got a video on that. It's something that I've just kind of observed one day. So it's just a very systematic trade that you can take. It's the first 5-minute inside bar. But yeah, they looked pretty good. I didn't do much trading today. I was pretty much done last night, so this one was bad. This one, meh. This one is no good, no bueno. But I wouldn't have taken this one anyway, just before the market closed with the earnings coming out. I wouldn't have took that. Yeah, pretty good. So, oh, 15-minute outside bars. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I mean, a lot of people have developed their own strategy around it. So 15-minute outside bars, yeah, that first one was nasty. This one paid pretty well. This one paid pretty well too. That first one was nasty. That first opening range 15, no bueno on that. And then it just stuck right inside pretty much the 15-minute opening range. It just stayed right inside it. So yeah, you definitely get chopped up on that. But the 5-minute looked pretty good. Thank you for the sub. I don't know who it was though. 3 or I? Something like that. Yeah, the 15-minute, yeah. It's tough. Definitely, I personally don't look at it, but yeah, your stop loss has got to be really wide. So like with 1 micro or something might be good. 5 minutes seems to be my sweet spot when it comes to the inside and outside bars. We are just gone sideways, guys. Look at this nasty price action. I mean, digesting after the big move. Just gross. I don't know. Gold might be the play here. We can get some gold movement. KDP, what's up? ATX, what's up? Number 3, let's go. Yeah, how to eat those drawdowns. Yeah, Corey. Yeah, so yeah, it's almost like you gotta trade like one. All right, we'll take the short there. Just really tight stop though. Off the break of the, oh, we put in 2 inside bars. Why is it? Oh, okay. MNQ didn't. All right, we'll take the short there. We have 2 inside bars in a row. I like to take the outside one, but I was looking at MNQ when we hopped in. And I figured that's the only one. But that's all right. We'll place a pretty tight stop, just 10 points. Win or lose. KDP took the day off. It was wild, wasn't it? It was a wild day. I pretty much took the day off too. I didn't really trade much at all. I traded this account right here in the afternoon just a bit. Got it to 50% and pretty much called it. I was just like, nah. Oversizing, yeah. Yeah, Takeprofit Trader, no activation fee even on the giveaways. So it used to be you had to pay for the activation fee, and it was a little bit of a bummer. But now there's no activation fee, so I'm gonna stop up here, 166.75 on the break of this inside bar. We'll see. I mean, the market's so bullish, it's hard to go short, but you never know. Looking for like 10 points. 10-point stop, 10-point take profit. Did 502 of my funded, still got 1 eval left. Haven't even touched it since past the first 2. Yeah, nice. Big cat. Yeah, we are just kind of going sideways on the VWAP. Gold pushing down a little bit. Looking like it's trying to take out the session low. See if gold makes a move down. Boy, NASDAQ was very bearish before the Apple news, which was sus, right? Or the Amazon Apple. Very sus. And Amazon's laying off a bunch of workers, but see, like, that's good for the company because it saves them money probably. I love trading max size for max win. Yeah, a lot of people do. That's the nice thing about if you're trading with props, is that if you go in max size, because they over leverage you anyway. So like if you go in max size, then it's not a big deal. Because the most you're risking is the account, right? So whether you paid $100 for the account, $70 for the account, $45 for the account, $15 for the account. Some of these accounts It's so cheap. Yo, Cranston White, what is up? JLD in the house. TBT is stupid, can't get it to work. I read content and they give me a free reset. I asked why do I need to reset if you haven't been able to trade. Oh, that's so weird. Big Cat, yeah, you're having issues with the... What's up, Orlando? Dawood. Next trade. Right, Rexer. Yeah, for sure. Okay, we are out of that trade. Market pushing up higher. It's should probably took the first inside bar instead of the second one, but it's all right. You sold puts won't be challenged? I don't think so, Big Cat. Yeah, no. Looks like it's good. Is this US Tech? Yeah, this is NASDAQ. Yep. Yep, futures NASDAQ. Gold pushing down. Yeah, looking like gold trying to make new session lows. You go max size? Wow. Yeah, nice Rexer. You get chopped on the long and the shorts. That's the account killer, right? When you go back and forth and then you get smoked both ways. That's when it's like, oh man, that's the account killer. What's up, Michael? Earnings have already been released. Yeah, that's why we get that giant pump right here. Apple and Amazon earnings. Yeah, I got the giant pump. Cut about half, 15-minute range, short break, 1450 with 30 micros, up 5K and 1 XFA. Let's go, Rexer. Yeah, those are the accounts that you want to do it with, right? The non-consistency. Jay Styles in the house. Yeah, for sure, Rexer. Had a great day today, myself. Got some payouts, which is always nice. Now the market's just pushing up higher here. Gold, looking like it wants to try to sweep that low, but right, yeah, the non-consistency. Yeah, my funded futures right now, no consistency. Take profit trader. Trade day on the funded side. No consistencies on any of those, which is nice. Lucid consistency on 20%. Tradeify consistency. So we still have that Tradeify deal going on right now. Really good deal. I was gonna get trade day, I just oh yeah, right, with trade day, yeah. Right, yeah. Yeah, that's tough if you're trading with just quant hour. Yeah, that is funny. Like, they don't have rhythmic. I thought they should. Trade day. What's up? Honest Take overcame a $1,500 loss in the funded. Let's go. Zayd in the house. That's exhausting though, Honest Take, you know? When you're dig yourself into a hole and then battle back. Sometimes I wonder, like, maybe I should have just walked away, but it is exhausting for sure. All right, NASDAQ kind of just pushing sideways here. Gold not really doing much either at the moment. Kind of waiting for some movement. Simplistic videos. Thinking about getting 5 TPT accounts, 25K, 50K, 75K, and 2 150Ks. 5 trade days, 5 150Ks. I would say you can make a living trading them. Oh yeah, for sure. That is kind of my goal too. Simplistic videos is to be maxed out with trade day and take profit trader, and to be able to copy trade them and get daily payouts on each. Even if it's $100 a piece every day, would be amazing. So trade day, if you guys are interested in trade day, it's Pine with a capital P if you want to pick up some accounts. Trade day, it's the only one that's case sensitive. It's weird. Well, Take Profit Trader is case sensitive too, but it lets you know that you got to use all caps. So it's all caps with Take Profit Trader too. But yeah, no, that's the ultimate goal. I mean, just taking the payout today for $800 from Take Profit Trader, and knowing like once I get that payout tomorrow, I can trade it and then make some more money, and then hopefully get another payout for the weekend, and just so on. Like, I just love that. So yeah, I want to get maxed out with those as well. Alpine Trader, another YouTuber, has gotten, I don't even know, but he's on a streak with Take Profit Trader, daily payouts, and I mean, he's at like, I don't know, he was at like $7,500, $8,000 in the last 2 weeks or something like that, just taking daily payouts. So, and it's just small daily payouts too, you know, not small, but $400, $500, like over and over and over and over again. Oh man, design, yeah, that is the worst. I was talking about that today. It's like when you blow all your funded accounts and then it's just like, then you have to rebuild. It's just the worst. NASDAQ's just chopping the VWAP right now, guys. If TPT had better customer service, it would be the best in the industry. Yeah. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. Got lots of people watching. Got to get over 200 likes, and we'll do a 150K Take Profit Trader account giveaway. Thank you so much for using code PINE. I hit the bonus yesterday, so thank you so much, guys. Alpha? I've never traded with Alpha, Papa. I've never traded with Alpha. You have $26,000 since 10/20. That's amazing. With Take Profit Trader daily payouts helpful. Let's go. 193 people, 103 likes. What gives? Miss K says, yeah. So hopefully that hopefully the numbers pick up. I'm sure we'll get over 200. How can there be so many prop firms? I don't know. There seems to be one popping up every other week, right? So I'm long off the inside bar break again. See if we can grind higher. Yo, J-Val, what's up? How many accounts do I have with Takeprofit Trader right now? 3. Yeah. I want 5 though. Your wife asked you if this is legal. I know. When it starts coming in, it's crazy. Only 4 losing days this month. Let's go. Spoiled overnight with the price action. Yeah, so last night late, the price action was great, right? Yeah, 2 losing days this month. Yeah, that's kind of looks like my Lucid account. So it's like my Lucid account. I had 2 losing days, one big one losing day, but then the rest just looked mint. And then I had one trade, 244 bucks. I didn't feel like trading that day or something. Like, I don't know. I just placed a trade to get one in, I guess, and then. But yeah, that's like my Lucid account, just looking really good so far. Oh, it's alright, Big Cat. Appreciate you. No, I just felt like I was just showing like I was DCAing into oblivion and just kind of tilty and, you know, not respecting my stop losses and just really bad stuff. And I get thinking like, you know, I have a lot of you guys that are seasoned traders that are watching, so you know, I just don't want to be set bad examples, you know. It's one thing to take a loss, but it's like another thing to just, you know, do that like crazy, you know, where you're just DCAing like nuts. And well, once again, I should just fade myself. Looks like we're gonna possibly get stopped out on this as well. Did it actually ever break the top side of that? I think it did. Yeah, it did. So I got trapped on that one as well. Oh well. Oh, J-Val. So yeah, so the Influencer Cup's going pretty good. I'm not willing to talk about where my account is right now because I don't want to show my hand, but I'm still in it. I'm still in it. And apparently Kellyanne blew up, supposedly, today. And so did someone else, Pro Wealth or something like that, blew up. So, but I'm still funded. So there's only 4 of us still funded, supposedly. Top 3 wins. Put in a massive outside bar here. God, I'd love to take this short though. So choppy though. Yoda, what is up? I might actually They pay for advanced indicators, built-in strategy. Sometimes you need an indicator. Yeah, sometimes. Some people do really well with indicators. Losing. You gotta enjoy. Best loser wins, right? Best loser wins. You call that 50% of the influencers would pass? Yeah, exactly. It's a 150K take profit trader account. 30% consistency is not the easiest to pass. I can tell you that. I did it twice. Not the easiest. For sure. Do they move the extra profits? I don't know. I heard so. Yeah. Thank you, crypto. Yeah. Well, so many influencers backed out of the competition. I'll put it that way. So they didn't want anything to do with it. Don't really blame them, but a lot of the ones that sell discords and mentorships backed out. That's right, Joe. We're just trying to figure it out. My thing has always been, like, if you're selling something to someone and you're trying to sell them a course or a mentorship telling that you're teaching them how to trade, someone how to trade, then you should have a pretty good track record. That's just always been my thing, you know? Like, if you're selling an indicator, it better work, right? Yeah, exactly, Fred, right. Well, you couldn't really full port Zaid on that competition because you had to stay within 30% consistency. So, yeah, most of the competitions, yeah, full porting definitely wins. 100% agree with you there. But on this one, the trade day, you couldn't full port. I tried, and it didn't work because it didn't matter because you still had to stay under the consistency for the 150K. So that made it a little bit tougher. Yeah. It would have been much more fun if we all just got funded 150K accounts and then just said, there you go. And then, you know, we're all full porting 15 contracts. That would have been fun, but yeah, to stay under the consistency, it's tough. Can't pass them to 30%. I know, they are tough. I passed 2 yesterday, and I should have passed 3, but you guys saw what happened to that account last night. Even the 50Ks are tough to pass. You know, 900 bucks. Am I going to do the Tradeify Cup? Yeah, I'm going to do it. Why not? It's free. I thought I could do the Ninja Trader Cup thing, but it says I'm not. I tried... It says I've already entered too many cups or too many tournaments. I don't know. And it says that we like to give other people a chance. I don't really know. The Ninja Trader is constantly having some tournaments going on, but we're just going to focus on the Tradeify Cup. That'll be fun. Hopefully next year they do it again, the Tradeify Cup. I'll be one of the ambassadors, right? Then I can get you guys to join my team. Team Pine. We can kick some ass. I want full port Terry on there though. We'll get full port Terry on Team Pine. Team full port, let's go. Yeah, 50Ks, yeah, for sure. 50Ks are small. $2,000 in drawdown is not a lot when it comes to... I mean, you guys know, if you when you get some big volatility, comes to... when it comes to 50K accounts, one mini can wipe out $2,000 in drawdown real quick. So yeah, definitely micros is the way usually with the 50Ks. Saying I'll smoke everyone in any fair. Well, I'm pretty sure, Zaid, that most of the ambassadors on Tradeify, you won't see trading. They won't be showing their P&Ls. I'll be surprised if they do. Some of them will. Nutty will. Matt will. Gold continue to rise back to the all-time highs. It's so questionable, right? There's the gold hourly, right? The all-time high sitting up there, 26,000. Oh no, wait, that's not the gold hourly. Sorry. I'm like, that don't look right. It's a long ways for gold. We're up to 4,400s. But yeah, I mean it could. I don't really know. I kind of feel like we could push back up in here maybe and then start to fade. I think if I had to guess, I would think maybe all-time highs is done for a little while, but you never know. As far as NASDAQ goes, I think we can just keep ripping. I really want to short NASDAQ. What's up, Smokey? Tim Korth, what is up? Inside bar. All failing tonight on the goal. Yeah, it's so choppy, Zaid. Yeah, it's very choppy. Like maybe if you got little scalps off them, this one right here is still in play. That's how I look at it. This one's still in play, possibly. But it did get wicked in. It did get wicked in. Depending on where your offset is, it's whether you go 2-3 ticks above. It literally went 1 tick above. So anytime, like when Tom Hugard trades a systematic trade, he always does 2 to 3 ticks above. So it could have got triggered on that. It's questionable though. Kind of looking like a little bit of a bear flag going on. But yeah, we just gone sideways. Not surprising after a big move. How was my New York session? It was good, J Val. I made 1,000 or 900 on my Lucid funded. Hit personal DLL 800 on my Tradeifys, which is fine. And then made 2,800 on a Takeprofit trader to take a daily payout for 800. So 2,900. Which after commission will be around 800. Yeah. Oh, cool, Tim. I just closed it, yeah. I closed it out. Put it in this outside bar and I ended up just closing it. That last trade. Thank you, J Val. Yeah, it was a good day. So yeah, so the Grand Cup opens tomorrow. I mean, Monday. Tradeify Grand Cup. So if you haven't gotten a Tradeify account and you want to try them out, right now is a great time because they got that deal going on. Use code PINE. 45% off, 25, 50, and 100K straight to funded accounts. And then you can just enter in on one of these on the Tradeify Grand Cup. And yeah, that'll be fun. More people in it, in my community, would be cool. So we can discuss it. Scary to try to short this, isn't it? Which Tradeify is best? I personally trade the 50Ks, but you know, the last time I got a payout with Tradeify, it was with 25Ks. I do like the bigger accounts for more drawdown. Lucid, right now I'm trading the 150s. All right, we're gonna try it again for Zaid. I don't know. I'm a short on the Nasdaq. Kind of breaking that outside bar, inside bar. See if we can get a little push to the downside. Unless it's just going to trap again. Buy up liquidity and take us out. 10-point stop, $225 stop. Yeah, Sunday. Yeah. Starts Sunday night. Yeah, Tony. So yeah, so it's best to get in now. Yeah, 25Ks. I actually like the 25Ks, believe it or not. You gotta trade them small and consistently, though. BDM with them daily. Gotta be loyal to who I'm a student of. Oh, nice, Caleb. Yo, Keegan in the house. Is there a Pine Tradeify team? No, unfortunately not. They never asked me, Nate. I wish they did. I wish they did. Some of those people, I don't even know who they are, Nate. I don't even know who they are. I'm literally looking up these people. I'm like, who are these people? Yeah, just ain't right for sure. The 100K, you get 4,000 in drawdown. There we go. Finally getting one working here. We got some room to the downside, don't we, guys? For the stream. Let's look for a move here. Could have a little trouble in this little congestion here, but I mean, we could really push down. I think what I'll do is, like, if we actually do decide to move, I'll move my stop. This take profit's more or less just a it's just there because of the bracket, but we'll let the winner run. $26.73 VWAP. People will full port. Yeah, so I had to read over the rules though, Caleb. I don't know if there's like resets or how that works, because a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll just pay to win and they'll just reset like crazy. So I don't know if there's like a limit. Oh yeah, gold's pumping, guys. Gold's pumping. Thank you for that. Nasdaq's dropping, gold's pumping. That's good. Currently up 15 points on this trade. Looking for more. Yeah, there's a lot of people. What team am I on? I be 100% honest with you, I am not on a team at the moment. I haven't decided. I might hop on Nutty. Nutty stream team. Yeah, I like Nutty. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. We'll look over the teams here. Let's look at the teams. Just stop at 162. Push down to 134. I'm looking for it to run. I'm looking to get down into here. These single prints, fair value gaps down in here. It'd be nice. Brian Cook, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Gold, yeah, gold's taking off. Nasdaq's pushing down, which is a good thing. Don't ever say I'll jump on Nutty. Yeah. He'll like it. Nutty will like it. Here's the teams here. Yeah. Yeah, probably Nutty. Probably Nutty. I don't know who most of these people are. Maybe Bugatti. We're friendly on Twitter. We're Twitter buds. Big Daddy Max. I don't think these guys are going to trade it, guys. Most of these influencers, I don't think they will actually trade. They'll trade it, but if they're right, then if they're green, they'll show it. But I'd be curious to see if they actually show the P&Ls of all the ambassadors. That'll be cool. I would like to see that. But I don't think the actual people will trade. I think Max will trade. I think Matt, Nutty will trade it. I think Bala will trade it. Most of the people I don't think you'll see trading. Probably Joey will trade it. We know FSP will. That guy will just trade everything. But yeah, most of these people I don't think they will actually do it. Join Team FSP. A dancing avocado, let's go. Brian Cook, thank you for the sub. I think I said thank you already. Might just take the 10 points here. We'll see. If we break down below 134.50, I might even add to this. Little Harami here. Let's take that off. Just a small win there. We'll see what it does. We'll see if it comes back and touches that VWAP again. You know them all, Fred? I don't. I don't know. I don't know TFC. I don't know these guys. I don't know him. I don't know him. I've seen her on Twitter before. I don't know Rabbit. I don't know Zach. I don't know Amas. AW. I just recently have seen her on Twitter. I've recently just see this TGR guy. Well, yeah, the rest I don't. I know I've seen these people. Joey Morgan, Lumi, Kenya, and Bugatti, Bala. Of course, I've seen Rips. I just recently seen this Max guy. Of course, Nutty, I've been following him forever. But yeah, some of these people I just don't know. Never seen them. Who's Team Rabbit? Who's this person? Doesn't have a profile pic. Team Rabbit? Oh, FSP? Oh, yeah. I mean, I guess it kind of depends on like how many accounts you can reset, right? FSP can make some money for sure, but he resets a lot of accounts to do it. He does that like prop firm arbitrage type style. So yeah, he can definitely print out some bucks, but I guess it depends on the resets. He's gonna do one and done, Big Max, yeah. Matt Coward takes it. Again, like it's all about the resets. I think Caleb said it before. It's about being consistent, and I know some of these guys they're boom and bust traders. I'm a lot like that too, so I'm not knocking them, but like a little feast or famine, you know. Yeah, right. Helpful, yeah. TJR, yeah, I've seen some stuff on him, yeah. Who will have 500 members? Oh, I guarantee Matt has 500 members already. Just because of the Rocket Scooter BDH win there. Yeah. Yeah, the game is so... When you trade Tradeify, the game is that you can use micros and minis. That's the game that people play. I was showing that on the last stream during the other competition. Yeah, you can definitely do that. Oh, Ethan, I don't know anything about My Defended Futures. I'm a mod just because I've been on the show so much. I literally don't know anything about... I don't work for My Funded Futures or anything. I'm just affiliated with them. But yeah. Alright, I'm getting out of this trade now. Putting this, we started to reverse that hammer and I hopped in there, but yeah, you can actually trade micros and minis. So like when they'll say, oh, max contracts, say it's like 3 minis. So what people do is they get in with 30 micros and 3 minis. at the same time. And yeah, so you're just doubling your leverage. I'm short gold. You're on Rocket. Let's go. You're on Rocket. Yeah, I think he has. I mean, the BDH win is gonna. He's gonna get his 500 people for sure. So that'll probably be the way. You got 9,000 members to join the Ninja Trader tournament. Ethan, yeah, nice. Anyone catch the gold long break off yesterday's high? Wait, that's allowed? It's not against the rules. That's how Matt won the last one. Yeah, that's how he won the last one. My ATM settings on this one, it's a 50 tick, and then I just move it to whatever, wherever I think I want the stop loss to be, and take profit. So yeah, on this gold, it's right there. Try to take the majority off this trade off on the VWAP. Yo, Paul, what is up? Yeah, Ethan, for sure. Really? Just missed me by a tick there on my take profit. V-dub, solid day, let's go. Oh, 100% Ethan, yeah, for sure. You'll just grow it to try to get a record payout. For sure. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys, if you want to join the giveaway. Giving away 150K Take Profit Trader account. You don't even have to pay the activation fee if you pass it, so that's really sweet. Must be eligible by from Take Profit Trader, so you gotta have an account. But yeah, pretty awesome. Take me out a few of these. Holy cow. See that bouncing gold? Oh, you kidding me? The VWAP strong. VWAP strong. I might have missed it. Starting to try to bounce here now. If we don't get it on this next push down here, we might be shit out of luck, but hopefully it takes it out. If not, it could actually bounce back up like it's trying. I just missed my TP by just a few ticks. Well. Well, that was unfortunate. I had my TP right there at 43.30 and it literally missed it. Yeah, that was a nice scalp on gold. I was a little late. I was reading the chat and I looked up and I see it breaking this harami here, and time I switched over, I clicked the button and I got a not as good as Phil. I figured we'd at least run down into the VWAP and then possibly push back down into this level here. So I'm holding it. I'd like to get taken out of 2 in the gold micros. Bebe Rich, what is up? Smash the like button, Toy says. Thank you so much. Holds like 300, like the movie 300. What's up, Adam Daz in the house? Oh, good. Yeah. 45% off Tradeify accounts, Caleb. Yes. Use code PINE. Yeah. 45% off straight to funded. Great sale. When will they change the time in the USA? Never. We're number one. Number one. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I don't know. Usually November. I know that because of hunting season. It's usually during hunting season. This weekend? Yeah, nice. So this Sunday or whatever, November 2nd. Yeah, November. Change it today, Red. Adam, I mean. 11-2, Alfred says. Oh, nice. Oh, I hate that. I hate the clock changes. Don't you guys hate the clock changes? I hate it. Inside bar on gold. Man, we just missed our TP. Maybe we get a push down here. I feel like I missed that move though on that trade. Might just take that $50. Alright, stop's going to break even here. It's either going to hit TP or I'm going to reset. So I feel like I missed the move. I wanted to move down into this, and it did it, but oh, there we go. Come on. It's like a brick wall there, that VWAP. VWAP's not real. So look at it, it's just like, it just does not. But it's also sitting right at a gap too. There we go. Thank you. So this is a good one. This is one of the ones that I need to be more patient on. And basically it's the Harami candle, the 5-minute Harami. It sweeps the high or the low. Oh, look at this. Wow. Another $100 with 1 micro. Oh! Just missed my take profit by a tick. We'll take it off. Yeah, we'll take it off. Just 1 micro, $87 on that ad there. So anyways, we sweep the high or the low, make a new session high or low, put in Harami, and then go for it. The ones that are kind of stuck in the middle, they still work pretty well, but the ones that are really powerful are the ones that obviously sweep highs and lows. This is an eval. Yeah, My Fun Future Core. I took a trade on my TPT funded instead of paper trading account. Oh no, helpful. Oh no. Wow, gold is just pushing down. What's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ's right at the VWAP. No surprise. So yeah, good solid 9 points or so on that trade. Use Apex. Let's go. I got a code for Apex too if you guys want to use Apex. Let's go, Papa. You like the clock changes because you live in South Africa, Dawood? Nice. Yeah, I hate it. Glad you hit your target on the gold longs. Let's go, Alfred, off the rip. Yeah, nice little push down here. Eval. 345 is an eval. Core count. Yeah, not after last night. I ain't definitely not trading any fundeds. Look at that buy up on gold. Wow. For you, the New York Open is at 6:30 p.m. on Monday. That's so, man, that is just so different. Yeah, that would take so much adjustment. Trading on tail, gold's absolutely bleeding out. Yeah, and then got bought right back up. Just nuts. Just absolutely nuts. Made it back on slingshot. Let's go. Yeah, that's the thing with gold, is it does slingshot. NASDAQ's not doing much. It's just hanging out. Just slightly in a downtrend on NASDAQ. It's hanging out here, 26,146. Kind of a slight downtrend. I think Tokyo, Open, Shanghai, that kind of stuff. I think the market's going to move. Possibly. We have a lot of repair work down here. We'll see though. Very bullish at the moment. I'd love to short it and just hold it, but it's a little scary. Just because it's so bullish. But yeah, I think we could possibly get back down in here at some point. The real question is, when do we get back down in here? 25,700. That's the real question. Got 100 and 30 points or so. Open gap. It'll just go when no one expects it. 15.30 for you next week. 16.30. Oh wow. Oh, Rashad, you got a payout last night, but then lost a funded account, so you have the post payout degenerate syndrome. It happens. PPDS. It does happen. What's the Discord? I got you. Discord is $99.99 a month, but it's really good. There's a Discord link right there. Now it's free. It's all free. Can you copy trade on? Oh, I see Michael asked a question in the Discord. So yeah, so you can copy trade, Michael, but you can't use brackets, right? So if you have more than one account, you just put them in a group. Like Takeprofit Trader, you can just put them in a group here. And then you can copy trade them. So you can just put like use code PINE. Name the group, and then you just copy trade them like that. And save it. But you can't do it with like multi-props. The only way to do it with multi-props is with something like Trade Syncer. Do I know anything about day traders? Now, I really don't. Mo, bro. I've had a few people buy some accounts through day traders with my code, but I really don't promote them that much because I don't trade with them and I really don't know too much about them, to be honest. They're kind of like they're an Apex clone, basically, with direct funded accounts. They have some direct fundeds, but yeah, kind of like an Apex clone. It was the same owners or whatever with Apex. Yeah, helpful. I think they should have some. Yeah. Michael's got 5 day trader accounts. Nice. Yeah, I do have a code with day traders, but to be honest with you, I just really. Yeah, you can have multiple trade of 8 windows that's open at the same time. That's how I copy trade them. So, like, this is the old school way of copy trading. Is I'll just do this, and then, you know, this. This is how I copy trade. And then I just click, you know. Let's go, Gabriel. Yeah, NQ still pushing down here. I'd love for it to push back up here and then hop in on the short. I kind of got scared out of that first short off that inside bar. I'll show you the fill. So we got scared. We ended up going short off this outside bar again, and I got a little scared and I ended up taking it off. Stop was up here, 73. Obviously, hindsight trading. I wish I would have still held it, but we would have took some heat. We took a little heat. We would have took about 10 points of heat. How do you copy trade with Tradeovate? Okay, I'll show you again. So if you have more than one, you can you create a group, right? So you go to the manage groups, and then you name it. You name it. Use code PINE. That's what you name it. That's the first step. Step 1. Use code PINE for the group name, or it won't work. No, you can put whatever you want in there. And then you just slide them over, right? Slide them over, whichever ones you want to copy trade, and then hit save. And then when you want to copy trade them, you go down and hit your group name. So you click on that, and then you have to be on one of the accounts to copy trade that's in the group. And then let's just say I have 3 accounts in this group right now. And then what you do is if you want to trade one mini on each, you have to use 3, right? So you go to 3, and then you can trade it. So you have to multiply it by how many accounts you have and you can't use ATM or bracket orders though. That's the biggest downfall. Hey Wes, what's up, buddy? Yeah, smash the like button. Use code PINE. Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks Wes. What's up, Wes? You guys, I'm sure you guys checking out Wes. He streams after me. Cool guy. I'm hanging out there, usually lurking sometimes. I'll get in the chat sometimes to say what's up. But yeah, I'm usually lurking, eating dinner. Yeah, old school way of copy trading, a bunch of windows. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I've literally had them lined up before. Just across all my monitors. Gold's trying to bounce. Let's take a look at gold here again. Gold's trying to bounce. Yeah. Little inside bar here. Interesting. Smacking right against the VWAP. I kind of like it. All right, filled on 3. Long gold off the inside bar. If we can stay above this VWAP. Looking to take out this previous candle here. Smash the like button, guys. We're going to do a giveaway shortly in about 15 minutes. 150K Takeprofit Trader account. Great giveaway. Don't even have to pay the activation fees anymore on the free account. So pretty awesome. Taking an inside bar along here. See if we can get a little squeeze. No problem, LK. Struggling here. Struggling to get up through there. Just gotta be patient. Where do we enter the raffle? Just exclamation point pine. That's all you gotta do. Put exclamation point pine in the chat. And you're good, yeah. Yo, Dark Side, what is up? 450 with some resistance, yeah. Hopefully it's not bear flagging out, but I mean, setup's there, so we'll take it. We'll take it. Remove that line there. We don't want that purple line I made to become something. You know, you put those lines on the chart, all of a sudden they become something. Dude, you're him? What's up? I'm someone. I do exist. I do exist. From the deep woods. NASDAQ trying to bounce here. I'd love to short NASDAQ, to be honest. Hey, John Walk, what is up? Brian Jones in the house. Thank you so much for the sub. The long gold. Looking for a pump here. Getting a bit of a flag situation going on though, which I don't love. Oh yeah, we are long. We took a nice short off the inside bar earlier, and then now we're trying to take another long off this inside bar. So is that the half gap, Ethan? Yeah. I gotta trade though for the stream. For the stream! Gets pretty boring if I don't. Alright, put in a Harami here. Don't love that. I think I'm gonna exit out. Exit out, please. Exit. Boy, I just hit it like 3 times. It didn't exit. Kind of wondering about taking the short, to be honest with you. Flipping the script. Gold loves the fib levels? It does. The blue line of resistance? I know, isn't that funny, J-Val? Always. That dreaded blue line of resistance. Trade of 8 tings? I know. I hit exit 3 times and it sucks when you do that on buy market, or sell market, and all of a sudden you're fat fingering a bunch of trades. You're in with way more contracts than you want. Guys, I didn't tell you I did that with an Apex funded account the other day. I meant to go in with 6 micros on the funded on gold, 6 MGCs, and it was in 6 minis, and yeah, that account was no longer, like, real quick. It was during Asia too, and the market was really moving. Yeah, it's like, oh my god. Yeah, I did that about a week ago. It's horrible. I just activated the account too. I just activated the account. Yeah, 6 gold, 6 GCs. Yeah. Yeah, it was gone quick. Of course, it didn't go my way. Every time you do something for me, it never goes your way, right? It's all right. Gold's still trying to push up here. Nasdaq. I love the short Nasdaq here. Nasdaq's still wanting to push down here. It's just in a downwards channel. Peaked above here, kind of trapped some buyers, and then just pushing right back down. A lot of room to the downside. I think this area gets run at least some point. Could be London, could be Asia, could be in the next 5 seconds. I don't know. I just think at some point we run it. It was all on that earnings push. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys, if you guys want to join the giveaway. How many likes we at? Let's go. Plenty of likes. Thank you so much, guys. 274 watching. Appreciate that. We'll do it in 10 minutes. We'll do the giveaway in 10 minutes. Please explain how to use the VWAP. So basically what a lot of people do is they'll look for either shorts or longs, whether it's above or below the VWAP. You know, it's just because, like, this is where it's the volume weighted average price, right? So there's a lot of orders that's being booked along this VWAP here on the 5 minute, and so it becomes resistance, and it also becomes support a lot of the times. And you can see, like, on this push up here, it literally went right to the VWAP and then it got rejected and pushed right back down. On this push up, it came back down and was support on this candle here and pushed back up for a minute. So I just like to keep it on the chart. I don't really make that many trades off of it per se. It's kind of just like a guide for me in a way. It's just a guide, because I pretty much just trade naked charts. I've always just traded naked charts. And then when I started streaming, so when I used to trade just like this, just naked charts. And then when I started streaming, I put the VWAP on there and to give me things to talk about. But I also do, now that I've had it on there, I do look at it for support and resistance. So I use the CE VWAP on the 5 minute chart, and that's the same one as like Cove Trader uses and a bunch of other people. but it's right at 26,151. Usually on Project X it's different. So if I pull up Project X, I've had to move it or adjust it. So here's a trade day here. And I've had to change it to HLC 3 session, and that matches the trade of 8-1 the best. I had that 9 on there. I was showing some examples last night on stream, but I don't use that either. All right, NASDAQ. Made me feel one with the chart. That's right. Ethan. Do I have Order Flow Plus, JVal? I don't. I used to like using it, the Order Flow. I used to like using it. I used to like having it on the DOM, and you can see the orders. What I do like it is for like low liquidity markets when it's just a low volume, and then you can see those big orders popping up, especially on days like bank holidays and stuff. I used to love using that. Yo, Disciplined Trader in the house. Franya, what is up? Zane in the house. Anyone that shorted 35 is getting yo-yoed? Yeah, I know. It's pretty bad, isn't it? You know, the gold trade, I got scared out of it again. I keep scaring myself out of it. I'm just not confident lately. Yeah, it would have hit TP too right there. Oh, yeah. Oh well. We live to trade another day. Yeah. High volume pivot. So yeah, if you look up a lot of things, like a lot of institutions and stuff will use the VWAP. Some people use the anchored daily VWAPs. There's all kinds of different VWAPs, but the simplest way I kind of explain it and look at it is that if you have an indicator that's on a lot of charts, like a lot of people trading it, retail, institutions, or whatever, then it's gonna act at those certain levels. So that's kind of the way I look at it. But overall, I hate like shorting or longing like when you're right at the VWAP. Usually that's right in the middle of the range and stuff, but so like on this candle here, you know, if I was to long or short, like say this inside bar, like I wouldn't want to short it just because the VWAP's right there and it could bounce off it, that kind of stuff. But a lot of times it doesn't make much of a difference. NQ pushing back up towards the VWAP. But yeah, it just acts as a magnet a lot of times. A lot of times at the open you'll see a gap up or down, and then it'll push right up towards that VWAP. So say like you get a gap up and then the VWAP's sitting down here, and say we open up here, a lot of times you'll see it push back down into here. And because institutions and stuff, they're not gonna buy on that gap up, they're gonna wait at some sort of level. So whether we sweep a high or a low or down towards the VWAP, they're gonna wait for that, and then they're gonna place their orders, and then you'll notice like it'll just come right back down into that level, and then it'll just bounce, and it could just trend the rest of the day because they came in and they just bought. You just see that a lot. But especially when I'm not paying attention, I've done it. Micro trading, yeah, cave trader, extraordinary cave trader for sure. That's cool, JVal. It's gonna be free. Yeah, I think there's a lot of things that Trade of 8 could improve on. and they know it. So hopefully you'll see some improvements. Like being able to copy trade with brackets is huge. The other thing is to be able to lock yourself out. I think it's huge. If you could just get those few things, you know, some of the risk settings. Like I always have the daily profit trigger at 1500 because that's 50%. But yeah, some of the risk settings could be better because you can set risk settings. Like I could say daily loss limit and set it to whatever I want, and then come back and then just change it. Even if after I save it. Or if you hit it, so say you hit your daily loss limit, say 800 bucks, and then you hit it. Now technically you should be done for the day, right? You hit your personal daily loss limit, and if you're a disciplined trader, you would call it for the day. But really you can just log out, go back in, and then just take it off and then keep trading. So where Project X, you can go in, like on this account, you can go in and then lock it for the day. So you can lock it for the day, and that's key. That's key. Well, I got another funded account with trade day, so that's sweet. Oh, I did trade this funded account here. It was a systematic trade that I was trying. Down 300 bucks on it. So yeah, I was just looking for systematic. So I locked myself out at 300 bucks. I'm trying something on that funded account. And this one is an eval. And then I passed a trade day account that's not showing up yet because I gotta activate it. But so I did pass. So I have 3 trade day accounts, but 2 of them are funded. So that's pretty sweet. NASDAQ, look at NASDAQ. Only goes higher. I'm gonna start getting the moose race fired up. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. All right. My new morning routine will be to arm slip X to protect itself from me. 100% Nate. Yeah, that's the first thing you should do before you start trading. In my opinion, I think that's one of the most important things is having that daily loss limit. Like, I really, really believe that. Like, if you can stick to a daily loss limit, you can and hold on to those accounts, you'd be amazed. Because if you're having more winning days than losing days, you stick to that daily loss limit, you'll get to a payout. Yeah, that was the big thing. For me to get multiple payouts on single accounts, the big thing is that. Am I trading Buellanox? Yes, I'm still trading Buellanox. I actually have a master account that I have to activate. I haven't activated it yet. Giveaway time. Let's go. All right, I think I'm caught up on the chat. NQs looks like the 15-minute fair value gap is gonna hold. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it is strong right now. It's gonna be interesting. I think it's gonna be an interesting night to trade once Asia opens. All right, let me get the moose race fired up here. Actually, you know what? It's Halloween. It's Halloween. We'll do a little something different. We'll get the Halloween race. That's just cool. I like this. All right. Okay. Put the Halloween costume on though. I forgot. I was like, you know, I'm not gonna be on tomorrow, so. Anyone have any plans for the weekend? Pine Tree, your ex left you? Well, it's already your ex, so. Oh, I'm glad I could help, Mary. Yeah, no problem. All right. Just drinking? More booze? Are you gonna buy an eval full port? Feel better? I'm sorry to hear that if that's true. 345. Yeah, breakups do suck. For sure. Tim Court says his wife's coming back from vacation. Yuck. Oh, that's funny. Alright, let's see. Wow, 300 people in the... You eat moose? Let's go. I do too. I love moose meat. Moose meat's great. I got a freezer full of deer meat, but no moose meat. Okay. All right, I'll give you guys 2 more minutes. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Give you guys to 650, and I'm closing entries, and we're gonna run it. This is for a 150K Take Profit Trader account. Thank you so much for using code Pine. I hit the bonus, so I got some Take Profit Trader accounts giveaway. And yeah, no activation fee on Take Profit Trader. 40% off, no activation fee, and also no activation fee if you win this account. So pretty sweet there. Got 1 more minute. We'll close it up. This is gonna be a fun race. What's up, Futch? All right. A few more seconds. This is going to be a monster. This is going to be a crazy race. What's up, Terry Trades 100 in the house? Let's go, Terry. She wants that 150K account. Why not? Why not? All right, closing entries. $330 people in the giveaway. Let's go. This is gonna be a fun race. It's the Halloween race. All right. Good luck, everyone. It's the Halloween race. Good luck to you guys. Must be present to win unless you're a member. If you're a member, then we'll get you. But if you're not a member, you must be present to win. I think that's fair. All right. Here we go. Good luck. No. At least I can see the names. Indian Burn. D. Oakley, thank you so much for the sub. Todd Long out to the front. We got V-Dub. I see Shone thriving out to the lead. Who's it going to be? 15 seconds left. We got Deeply Thankful making a run. Coming up through the middle. With the zombie, the Frank. Oh, Pumpkinhead. Pumpkinhead. Let's go. Pumpkinhead. Let's go. Midas. Matas. Midas Matas. Are you here? They're still in the chat. 30 seconds. Let's go, Midas Matas. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's go. Congratulations, Midas. Midas, are you in the Discord by chance? You don't have to be, but... You don't have to be in the Discord, but if you are, it's easy for me to message you. If not, then you can just do the email. You're on Discord? Nice. What's your name on Discord? You in our Discord? I imagine, right? If you guys haven't joined the Discord, you can join here. How many members we got? How many members we got watching? Place pin, there we go. Giveaways are over con unless we have some members. I think we got some members, right? If you're a member, say what's up real quick. We might do a members only race. What's up, Gabriel? Oh yeah, live every single night. Now we got some members. We can do let's do a member only. I'll get that set up here in just a second. Yeah, it's pinned right there to the top of the chat, or I'll pin it again. There's the Discord. We'll do a member. Terry's here. We'll do the members only. Let's go. I'll get that fired up here. This is like the Friday night. This was a great week of streaming. Thank you so much for being here this week. Oh, Terry trades 100 with a 10 gifted memberships. Let's go. Giveaway's done unless you're a member. Yeah, we're going to do a member only race. Let's go, Terry. Guys, haven't followed Terry Trades 100. She streams every single morning on YouTube. Alfred was on there this morning. I was on there earlier this week. Also the host of My Funny Futures TV. This Terry Trades 100's link. Give her a sub. Give her a sub. We're gonna do a members only race here in just a minute. Okay, let's see. So, I have to... Thanks, guys. I'll come back in just a minute, but I got to turn on members only in the chat so we can do a members only giveaway. Somehow, like this. Alright guys, I'll be back. Or thanks. If you guys leave me, that's fine. But I'll be back to talk to the rest of you. But we're going to do members only at the moment. And then we got to do this. And then exclamation point Pine in the chat for the members only. Let's go. Thank you guys for being a member. Thank you, Terry, for adding some memberships. Let's go. Let's get some more few people. We're going to do another race. Members only. I'll give that just 2 more minutes. 2 minutes for the members only. Right now you got a 1 in 13 chance. It's pretty good. Midas, I just messaged you on Discord. I just sent you a message. I just need your Take Profit Trader email. And yeah, I'll send that off. So with Take Profit Trader, they don't give you codes. You have to send it off to the people, and then what happens is they credit your account. So, all right, we'll give you guys 30 seconds here. I think most of you guys are in. Oh, thank you to the new subs too. Victor Silva. I see Victor Silva. Yeah, thank you so much for the new sub. All right, here we go. Closing entries here. Hopefully we got everyone. Oops, I don't want to cancel and close. Look, Terry didn't even join the giveaway. That's how nice she is. She didn't even join. All right. Looks like everyone's there, right? Digital Nukes, Tony, Nomadic. Can't see them all. Shuffle them around. I think everyone's there. All right. Good luck, everyone. All right. We got Kevin on the outside. We got Digital Nukes in the middle. CeeLo out in the lead. TJP in the back with a scary clown. Who's my money on? I think I like the scary clown. Scary clown I think is gonna take it. We'll see though. You're the ghost again, Indian Burn? Let's go. Yours got a limp, but yeah. Let's go. Tony Lanez, congratulations. Let's go. Pretty awesome. Congrats, Tony. Tokyo Open now. Anyone can chat now. Everyone left me. Why are you not a member? She trades. I don't know. You should be a member. So members are pay. They pay to be a member. It's just to help support the channel. They pay monthly. So congratulations. Finally won, Tony. Tony, are you in the Discord? You can be Frankenstein for Halloween. Let's go. Who finished last? Visible ID finished last. That's alright. Congratulations. That was fun. Tony Lanez, are you part of the Discord, or I don't know? Did you already, or do you want to just send me your email, or do you want me to just do it with the email? Thank you, Tony Gold. How do you become a member? You didn't know that? It's just it's the little button down here somewhere where you can I can't give myself whatever, but somewhere. Just join. All right, cool. What's your Discord name? So I know it's you. But yeah, we do we'll do another giveaway soon. Probably do one Sunday night. We'll do one for everyone again. You don't have that button? I think it's I'm not sure. It should be I'm not sure where it is. Usually it's down around the name. But that's alright. Well, let's see. Sometimes it's down here. So it'll say join next to the name. That's alright. We'll do another giveaways Sunday night for everyone. But every once in a while, I like to do a members only race just because, you know, people like to, they're paying monthly to support the channel, which means a lot to me. It's kind of crazy. But yeah. Tony Lanez 505. Let's go. Alright, guys. That's going to do it for me tonight. Thank you so much for being here. What a great week of streams. This was a fun stream. Smash the like button on your way out. Please use code PINE for all your prop firm needs. So Takeprofit Trader, Tradeify, My Funded Futures, Apex, Buellanox, Lucid. Also, you can just go to propcodeshub.com. Whoops. Put the link in the chat. So this is my personal website, propcodehuds.com. Appreciate it. And Tony and the other winner, Midas, I'll get your emails sent off. I'll message you, Tony, too, once I find you on the Discord, and then I'll send those off to Take Profit Trader. They're not the fastest, so just be aware of that. But what you'll do is you should get an email eventually saying that they credited your account with the 150K Take Profit Trader, and then so you'll just use you'll go to pay for the account, and then you just use the credit, you know, the 150K. So. And you guys don't have to pay the activation fees now, so that's sweet. And yeah, guys, have a good Halloween. Have fun. Be safe. And if you guys got kids and going out trick-or-treating, I hope you guys have a blast. And yeah, I'll see you guys Sunday night right here. Same time, same place. You know, right around 5:45 or so, just before the market opens. We'll be back. Trade safe tomorrow. You don't want to go into your weekend blowing up all your accounts. That always sucks. And yeah, so anyways, use code PINE, and I see you guys later. Stay tuned for the outro. Peace.
I'm on a mission. It's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath. It's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight. coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to Takeprofit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Takeprofit trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to Takeprofit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Stratify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine tree trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, pine tree trader, Apex, Takeprofit, Stratify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts. Building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out. Yeah, pine tree trader, Apex, Takeprofit, Stratify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts. Building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out. Stratify's the engine, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. Yeah, from pine tree trader to Takeprofit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Stratify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high.